That's not fair!
You started it!
I'll figure this out. Someone's out here. What was that? Ah!
Dinner is ready. Tom, wash your hands, please.
Okay, Mom. I'm coming.
This smells amazing, honey.
Thanks. It's just chicken and rice.
That's not fair! You do this every single day!
Me? You started it.
Whoa! Did you hear that?
Yeah, that's the neighbors again.
Oh no, not this again.
Again? What do you mean?
They've been arguing a lot this week.
Every night, actually.
But why are they fighting?
I don't know, buddy. Grown-up stuff, I guess.
Can I go and check?
Tom, it's not our business.
But it's so loud! Maybe something bad is happening.
Look at you, little detective.
Fine, but just look. Don't get involved, okay?
Okay, I promise! This is so exciting. Mr. Grant, are you okay?
Oh, hi, Tom. Hi, Tom. Sorry about the noise.
What happened?
It's Mrs. Diaz. Every morning, my trash can is knocked over. There's garbage everywhere.
Really?
Yes, and I think it's her dog. She lets him run around at night.
Did you see her dog do it?
Well, no, but who else could it be?
That's strange.
I'm just so tired of cleaning up trash every morning.
I understand. Thanks, Mr. Grant.
No problem, kid. Say hi to your parents.
Hi, Mrs. Diaz. Is everything all right?
Oh, Tom. Sorry, sweetie. I'm just really upset.
Why? What's wrong?
Mr. Grant says my dog knocks over his trash can. But that's not true.
He seems pretty sure about it.
My dog sleeps inside every night. I lock the door.
So, you don't think it's your dog?
No way. Max is a good boy. He's never even outside at night.
That's confusing. Someone or something is doing it.
Exactly. And Mr. Grant won't listen to me.
Don't worry, Mrs. Diaz. I'll figure this out.
Thank you, Tom. You're a good kid.
Okay, Mr. Grant says it's the dog. Mrs. Diaz says it's not the dog. Someone is wrong. Or maybe both of them are right? I need a plan. Tonight, I'm gonna watch the trash cans myself.
Tom? What are you doing up so late?
Dad, I want to catch the real trash can culprit.
A culprit, huh? Okay, detective. Just be careful.
I will. Can I use the flashlight?
Sure. Just don't wake up the whole street.
Come on, show yourself. What was that? It's not the dog, it's a raccoon. I can't believe it! This whole time, it was never Max. And it was never Mr. Grant's fault either. I have to tell them right now.
Mrs. Diaz, please control your...
Wait! Wait! I have something to show you both.
What is it?
Look at this picture. I took it last night.
Is that a raccoon?
Yes, it's been knocking over the trash can, not Max.
I told you it wasn't my dog.
Oh, wow. I'm really sorry, Mrs. Diaz.
It's okay. Honestly, I'm just relieved.
So, you two aren't mad at each other anymore?
No, not at all. Thank you, Tom.
Yeah, you really are a great detective.
Just doing my job.
Tom! Breakfast is ready!
Coming, Dad! Case closed. Ugh. Ugh, not here either! Tom! Where are my shoes? Mom! Where are my shoes?
Which shoes, honey?
My white shoes! I need them today.
Why do you need them today?
I have a dance show at school today.
Oh, right, the dance show. Did you check your room?
Yes! I checked my room. I checked under my bed. I checked my closet too.
That's strange. Maybe they are in the living room.
I already looked there. They are not in the living room. They are not in my room. Where are they?
Don't worry, Emma. We will find them.
But the show starts soon. I'm scared. Tom? Tom, come here. What? What do you want? Did you take my shoes? Your shoes? No, I didn't take your shoes. Are you sure? You always go into my room. I don't always go into your room. That's not true. Yes, you do. Last week, you took my pencils. That was just one time. I gave them back. Well, maybe you took my shoes too. I didn't. I don't even like your shoes. Just give them back, Tom. Please. I can't give them back because I don't have them. Mom! Tom is lying to me. I'm not lying. Why don't you believe me? Because you always hide my things. You hid my pencil last month. That was an accident. I told you that. An accident? You hid it under your bed. I forgot it was there. I said sorry. Well, now you hid my shoes too. Where are they, Tom? I don't know where your shoes are. Stop yelling at me. I'm not yelling, I'm just really upset. You're always upset with me. That's because you're always annoying. No, you're the annoying one.
Whoa! What's going on here?
Dad, Tom hid my shoes. My dance show is in 1 hour. I didn't hide anything. She won't believe me.
Okay. Everyone, stop for a second.
But Dad, this is important.
I know. That's why we need to think clearly, not fight. Right now, fighting won't find the shoes. Let's solve the problem first.
Okay, you're right.
Good. Now, Emma, when did you see your shoes last?
I think I wore them yesterday. We went shopping yesterday.
That's right. We all went to the mall together.
Did you wear your white shoes to the mall, Emma?
Yes, I remember now.
So maybe the shoes are still in the car.
Let's go check the car right now.
Yes, let's go.
Okay, let's open the trunk.
Please be there. Please be there. Please be there.
Look! Here they are!
My shoes! You found them!
See? I told you I didn't take them.
You're right, Tom. I'm sorry I blamed you.
We put the shopping bags in the trunk yesterday. The shoes were probably with the bags.
And nobody noticed because we were all tired.
I'm just so happy we found them.
Quick, Emma! Put on your shoes.
Okay, I'm putting them on now. Do you need your dance bag too? Yes! It's by the door. I'll get it for you. Thank you, Tom. You're so kind.
You're welcome, sister. I'm sorry we fought today.
Me too.
It's okay, everyone. Now let's go! Next time, let's put shoes by the door.
Good idea, Dad.
Let's go! I can't breathe! Family, I have an announcement.
Are we getting a dog?
No, Tom. I am going to lose weight.
Okay. How much weight?
I am 265 pounds now. I want to be 185 pounds.
Dad, you said that last year.
And the year before?
This time is different.
Mom, can I have his pizza? He's not eating it anymore.
I said starting tomorrow. Okay, running time, easy. Water. I need water.
Dad, you only ran to the tree.
That tree is very far. Come on! Come on!
Need help, honey?
Just bring me a sandwich.
No sandwiches. You're on a diet now.
One. Two.
Giddy up, Daddy Horse!
Tom! Tom! I am exercising, not a horse.
Same thing!
This burger is so good.
Best burger ever.
I'm drinking water. Water is also good.
Want one? Just one?
No! No, 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 no! Just one cookie. Nobody will know.
Mike, what are you doing?
I'm checking the temperature.
There's a cookie on your shirt, Dad.
I'm tired. Maybe I can't do this.
Honey, why do you want to lose weight?
I want to play soccer with Tom. I want to run with him.
I can wait, Dad. But I want to play too.
No more cookies at night. No more giving up.
Here, Dad! Your running shoes!
You found them?
They were under the couch, with my video games.
New rule. Every morning, we run together. Deal?
Even on Saturdays?
Especially on Saturdays.
Okay. Let's go, Dad. Go, Dad, go!
You got this.
It's working.
Wow! Look at you!
Dad, you have 6 boxes!
It's called a six-pack, Tom. And yes, I did it.
Max doesn't know you anymore.
Max, it's me, John, your friend.
Even the dog is shocked, Dad.